Afternoon, we're going to make some chocolate brownies. I've already melted the chocolate and the butter together because otherwise it's going to scramble our eggs. So it's 125 grams of butter, 125 grams of dark chocolate. Make sure you don't burn it. Probably about 2 minutes in the microwave. We'll get our bowl now, empty. We'll put 125 grams of plain flour. And we can go and we can mix all the dry ingredients together. A quarter of a teaspoon of bicarb of soda and a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder. £150 grams of light brown sugar. We'll just give these all a nice mix so we get rid of any of the lumps in the sugar. You can do that with your hands if you want to. So we've combined all of that. We're going to lightly beat our eggs. We need 2 eggs. They can go in. 100 grams of sour cream. And we'll give that a quick mix. Now all that's left to do is add a mixture of our butter and our chocolate. A good mix. Once it's all combined, I get a tin. I generally put it into a square tin and then you can cut. And again, I put a liner in as well. Quite a runny mixture, so I can't tip it up. So it's gas mark 3 for about 30 minutes. Enjoy.